Settings, MagniLink PCViewer. For settings in the software, use your mouse pointer and open the Settings menu in the top left corner. Under About, you can see information about your software version, the serial number of your connected unit, and also license information about what your unit is licensed for. Under Application, you can change the settings of your software. Enable CCTV interface, makes it compatible with Zoom Text and Supernova. Automatic updates can be set to on or off. Check for updates now is used to see if there are any software updates available. Under Language, you can choose your preferred language in the software. In View modes you can decide which split layouts that you want to be available in the software. In Settings Profiles, you can save a profile with your settings and export it to another computer. You can also load a previously saved profile, or a profile from another computer, or user. Use the menu size slider to change the size of this menu. In the menu groups, you can decide which features that you want to be available in the software menu. All the ones you turn off will not be shown in the menu. Further down you will find the Default button, that will take you back to the default settings. Under Video, in the left menu, you can decide the resolution and the frame rate of the camera. In the Recording menu, you can set a limit for the length of a video recording. You can also set the frame rate of a video recording, and you can decide whether you want audio to be recorded with the microphone or not. Under Audio Source you can change to another microphone if you have more than one. If you click Default, you will bring back all the default settings. Under Shortcuts, you can decide which shortcuts you'd like to use when controlling the system from a keyboard. Activate the command as global if you want your shortcut to be available also when MagniLink PCViewer is not in focus. All of these shortcuts can be changed and replaced by a different shortcut combination of your choice. Under Speech, you can decide which voice you would like to use for your speech. You can fine-tune the voice by sliding the control for volume and speed. You can also decide if you want commands to be read or not by choosing off or on. Under OCR, Optical Character Recognition, you decide which typeface you'd like to use for the text presented by the OCR. You can also decide if you want column mode to be on or off. With column mode activated, the unit will read in columns. If column mode is deactivated, it will read a full line instead. This could, for example, be useful when reading a receipt or an invoice. Here, you can choose if you want the speech to start automatically after an OCR process is performed, by choosing on or off. You can also decide if you want automatic language detection to be on or off. When automatic language detection is activated, the unit will automatically detect if a text, for example, is in English, and use the English voice. In the EUC menu, End User Configuration, you can make different individual settings. For example, you can decide which high contrast modes that you want to be available or not available. It's also possible to add a color combination of your choice. By turning grayscale on or off, you decide if grayscale should be available or not. Here, you can set the thickness of the reference line. You can also decide if the reference line should be on or off. The same thing applies for curtains. Choose if you want them to be on or off. Lastly, you can set the minimum and maximum magnification range of the camera. When you're done with your personal configuration, you can save the settings by clicking Save and Reboot. This will reboot the unit and activate your configuration. Thank you for watching. You can learn more at lviglobal.se.